So Microsoft Viva is a suite of applications that improves employee wellbeing and plugs straight into Microsoft Teams. Jungle IT can help deliver that through our professional services team.
At Aston Barclay, we've got 500 colleagues across 6 of our national centres, based all around the UK, so making sure that everyone gets clear communication is quite a challenge. Previously, before we invested in our marketing team, we used to send out an internal newsletter that went out once a month. So we worked with Jungle IT to create a platform that allowed us a fluid tech platform for daily and weekly updates.
So the first stages of the Microsoft Viva project was to engage in a pre-sales call. This ensured that we had the key personnel from Aston Barclay and the right resources from Jungle IT to really get together, understand the requirements that Aston Barclay had.
One of the main challenges that we faced is around what is it you can do with the Microsoft Viva suite. In the case of Aston Barclay, it was looking at how we can help them with their communication plan and improving communication internally. Some of the other challenges, user adoption, and so trying to help Aston Barclay have adoption champions, people within the business that are embedded that understand it, and then being able to help with the training aspects and improving that communication plan.
It's been really well received internally. I think the look and feel of it is really on brand for Aston Barclay, and it allows for different departments across the company to give regular updates, which has been really helpful from an internal comms point of view. Having a bit more of a flexible outlook with the Viva meant that we could allow it to be on iPads and tablets, so people that don't have an email address can sign up and they can have a look at what's going on across the business on a daily basis.
We wanted to deliver the art of the possible and to really get that message across as to what Aston Barclay can achieve. So being sat in a workshop with them, really, it was a very open round table discussion, asking lots of questions, really helped us hit the brief to deliver a successful project from start to finish.